This mine on May 27, 2024. That to do all change on Grand Caravan 2012. First of all, this is the oil filter. Oil filter over here. You have to take care of this one, like, and then this is the lid. I take care of plug it in over here. This is the oil filter later on. I'm gonna do after I drain plug. After I drain the oil. This is the oil filter location. Location oil filter is over here. Oil filter is just this sock. The sock number of this one. Yep. You can use anything too, but this size is size. This size 27 something, 25. 75 plus 20, 91 inch. 25, size 25. The location. That is for air filter. No, oil filter, I'm sorry. This for oil filter location. Oil filter over here. But I'm not going to do oil filter first. I'm going to do the drain oil first. This is the drain oil location over here. This is the oil pan. The oil pan is over there. Yep. When I finish that, I'm gonna take it out the oil filter. I use 2 packets over here. If in case one is not good, one is filled up, or something wrong, so I have another pickup, another empty one. This one. There's preparation. But make sure there's the drain over there. After you drain off all the oil, come out. Sometimes I do like this. Sometimes I do like that. Just give me 1 second. I do like that. Just 1 second. I do like that. Pull another one, the empty one, so not fill up with waste oil. I don't want to fall on the ground. So this preparation. This was the drain plug number 13. This is the oil filter is number 25. 25. Now let me get the oil filter. Oil filter, you have to put something over here. So when the dripping is not go somewhere else. When the dripping is not going to the engine. Like that. I'm gonna take it out. Just give me. I'm gonna take it out. Just 1 second. Let me get another empty. This is in my garage. I just do all change my Toyota car. This will the oil filter when come up. Just give me 1 second. I'm sorry the video is not perfect, but see. Just give me 1 second. The video is not perfect, but you can use it. Yeah, this the oil filter. See. Yeah, this is the oil filter. Yeah, this is the oil filter location. The oil filter location. This is the oil filter location, yep. There's the oil filter. There's the oil filter location. Make sure it's not dripping nowhere. So you get the new one. Get the new oil filter over here. I get the new one. I get the new oil filter. I'm gonna put the ring. They have what you call gasket. Gasket I have to put on, replace the one. You have to replace this gasket. Every time you do oil change, you have to replace this one. And then take care of this one. Take care of this one. Take care of this old one. And then you change this one. This one. You have to replace that one. And then that's it. And then when you all is drained off, everything is drained off, it's clear, and then you just put it back. Put it back, and then this one is oil filter. Let me show you how to replace this one. Just give me 1 second. I don't have a video. I don't have holder. Let me see. Yeah, this one. This is the gasket, the old gasket. I'm gonna clean up. This is the old gasket, need to be clean. I replace the new one. I'm gonna replace the new one. This is the oil gasket. Then this is the oil filter. You just put it in. That one. This one needs to be inside. That's it. Clap like this. Then put it back over here. Put it back to the other side over here. Put it back. tie it up. Make sure tight. It's not too tight. Just when you put your hand tight, then just use this one twice. Yeah, just one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not too tight though, and they're not moving no more. That's it. There's the oil filter you replaced it. Now you have to put it back this one. Put back the air hose. Put it back. Where it coming from? Just 1 second. Let me grab you like this. Okay. And then tied up this one. This house exhausting. You put it back. You put it back over here. And then you put the cover back. Let me see. Yeah, this is the cover. That's it. It's just wait until all on the bottom, no more dripping. And then you put that one, the drain plug, and then you fill it up all. You fill it up all from here. This part. This to fill it up all. Over here. That's it. I hope this video can help you to save money to do oil change by yourself. Please subscribe. Thank you.